I'm Chloe.
I'm Kaylin.
And I'm Tyler.
And we're the Woo Crew. We're on a mission to help kids build life skills.
We create fun how-to videos.
And we also teach at schools, community centers, and children's museums.
Hold on, guys. Shouldn't we first talk about what life skills really mean?
Oh yeah, life skills are all the cool things we need to know to take care of ourselves.
And not always rely on mommy and daddy.
It all started when our mom wanted us to do more chores and take more responsibilities around the house.
We would each have our own assigned chore.
And because we were watching a lot of YouTube videos, our mom encouraged us to make our own YouTube videos to help teach kids.
So we recorded our first video, which was how to clean a toilet. And I had so much fun, so we decided to make more videos, like how to wash the dishes, how to load the dishwasher, how to set the table, how to do the laundry, and so much more.
And we noticed that life skills aren't just chores, but they're also independent skills, like how to pack for a trip, how to save money, and make a budget.
They're also about taking good care of yourself, like how to get enough sleep, how to breathe mindfully, and how to exercise.
Don't forget organization skills like how to create a to-do list, how to set SMART goals.
And most importantly, there's skills on how to be a good human, like how to express gratitude, how to apologize after a fight with your brothers, how to read social cues, how to be a good friend.
Life skills are really important because we want to take care of ourselves. We want to be independent and not have our parents tell us what to do all the time.
Being able to do these things make us feel powerful and confident. And we want to help other kids learn these skills to feel the same.
We also decided to teach kids in real life.
We were so nervous when we first started teaching in person.
But seeing the giggles and smiles on kids' faces made it all worth it.
So we hope you'll join us on this adventure to learn more life skills, one woo at a time!
Subscribe for new videos, and if you have a life skill you want us to teach, just drop it in the comments below.
See you soon!